Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Jason Voorhees, like looking downward. It's going to be a little bit of a different pose. He's going to be looking down, like at somebody, I'm assuming. So that's it. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, okay? So let's get started, okay? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with a curve for the mask. Gonna curve over. Downward. And I'm gonna go, so that's gonna be like the front right here. He's looking that way. And I'm gonna just have like a slight curve right there for the front of the nose. Out over the cheek, down. Curve underneath. There you go. So that's the mask shape, right? And that's like a slight, like that slight curve in the nose area. Now I'm going to draw the back of the head, right, of Jason. Curve over here, back of the head, and we're going to keep it going downward. And what we're going to do is we're going to keep pulling it down over here for the neck. Over here, maybe we're going to find the bottom of the neck right there. Line over here for the shirt. Line here with the shirt. Curve underneath. Down. Down. Line over here, downward. Line over here, downward. Curve, 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 curve. It's going to be the folding of that shirt, right? And it's just going to go off here for the shoulders or something. What I want to do now is I want to put the straps, that the mask straps on, okay? So right now I'm going to go like here, here for one line. I'm going to go right here for the top for the next. And I'm going to fill it in. Right on. I'm going to go over here to the ear. Curve. Another curve on the inside. And line over here. Over here. Line underneath. Down over here. Kind of throat area. I'm going to fill it in. Probably just going to fill that in there because it's going to be dark under the neck right there. It's going to be a shadow. Line over here down. Down over here. Kind of a little bit of dark right there, right? But not totally dark because I don't want it to cover up everything. So then I'm going to go over here into the eye. Don't forget to check out the stickers, by the way. They're around for this year only. Yeah, check that out. Curve over here, down over here. I'm going to fill it in now. Fill it in. And fill it in. Over here in this area, I'm gonna like put the those holes across the face for the air. All right, dot over here, dot over here, dot over here, dot over here. Then I'm gonna go over here, dot up, and yeah. So then I'm here, dot, and dot over here. Then I'm going to go over here on this side, dot on this side, dot on this side, dot on this side. And then the front over here, dot, 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 dot. Gonna put 3 over here in the cheek. 1, 2, 3. And we're gonna over here draw a line across, like an arrow downward. Go over here, downward, over here on that side. So these are all, you know, placed there, you know, on purpose, right? These are the designs. And what you could do is you could kind of draw lines through them like this to kind of show, I mean, without the color, you know. That's kind of what I would do personally without the color. Curve over here. And I forgot, let's throw another line for the other shoulder. If you like this kind of stuff, don't forget to hit the subscribe and line over here, and hit the, you know, subscribe. And we're going to be posting throughout the season, pretty much. You can also throw some scars in his head, almost like lightning bolts. Line over here. Line underneath. Line underneath here. And line in here maybe for the coat. But that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much for following this. You guys are amazing. I want you guys to stay spooky. Also, if you did like the video and you want to really push the Halloween spirit this year, because I'm really trying to do that. I want this to be the biggest, most epic Halloween year ever by adding so many videos. And I want you guys to hit the subscribe, not just that, I'm sorry, hit the share button. So share it anywhere, and it will massively help if you share it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And I'll talk to you in the very next video. And I'll see you very soon, okay? So give me a shout out, or I'm sorry, give me a, like, say hi to me in the comment section. And if you say hi right now, I'll know that you watched the end of the video, okay? And I'll say hi back. Talk to you later, and I'll talk to you very, very soon, all right? See ya.